Hello everyone. I'll be discussing on how your healthy lifestyle should be in these changing climatic conditions. Ayurveda describes healthier life through dinacharya, ritacharya, diet and nutrition, basic sanitation and healthy living environment. But in today's session, I'm gonna guide you only about dinacharya. In upcoming sessions, I'll cover the topics one by one. Coming to dinacharya, that is daily routine, many people ask me how our daily routine should be and how we should plan it. Actually, more than 60% of the population don't have their scheduled daily routine because of hectic works and busy lives. Somehow it became very difficult to maintain the daily routine practice, and which is predominantly among the youths. But it's my request to you all, take a while and set a daily routine practice. I'm not saying you to maintain a proper timetable, but if you do the things regularly at a particular time period, your body's biological clock will automatically run by itself. Then once you adopt it, it will maximize your health benefits by rejuvenating and immunizing your body. I made a demo plan of the daily routine based on predominance of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, the three energies. Because I already mentioned in my last video, our health is dependent upon balance between these three energies, both in nature and in our body. Hence, in a day, each energies are predominant in the nature at a particular time period. Thus, we must plan our activities according to the dominance of that energy, then we can gain maximum benefit from it. Between 2 am to 6 am, Vata, that is kinetic energy, is predominant. One of the main function of Vata here is elimination of wastes. Hence, if you awake during this time, bowel and bladder evacuation will occur properly without any hindrance. At this time period, you can practice Nasya, that is putting 2 drops of coconut oil or ghee into each nostril. It prevents premature graying of hair, baldness and ensure good sleep during the night time. Between 6 to 10 am, Kapha, that is potential energy, is predominant. Its main function is it controls lubrication. So if you plan exercise like yoga, running, cycling, etc., the kapha will lubricate your body joints, which minimizes your joints injuries. Between 10 to 2 pm, pitta, that is metabolic energy, is predominant. During this time period, your digestion and intellectual metabolism are more active compared to other time periods. Thus, utilize this time to strategize your work. Between 2 to 6 pm, again Vata is predominant, but at this time, it coordinates different parts of the body. So you can plan your next day work task, etc. You can have a decoction here. Apart from tea and coffee, you may try some healthy decoctions which can boost your immunity. Here I provide you Ashwagandha tea recipe. It is the best proven drug in Ayurveda to combat COVID-19. So you can try this recipe. Between 6 to 10 pm, Kapha is predominant. It provides stability to the body and mind at this time period. So be relaxed with your family, spend some time with friends, etc. Have a light dinner and sleep. Follow this chart at least for 5 days in a week. Weekend you can have a relaxed time. 5 days if you follow proper dinacharya, it is really worth and effective to stay healthy. I wish you a healthy and happy day through dinacharya. Thank you.